Apple may postpone the planned for March announcement of an inexpensive iPhone SE2 due to coronavirus. 2020 will definitely go down in history due to a new virus. According to many leaks, already at the end of March we were waiting for the announcement of a new generation of inexpensive iPhone SE2. True, according to the latest data, Apple can still postpone the event and all because of the coronavirus epidemic. So, insiders argue that the American tech giant has already decided to release a new product only in the second quarter of this year due to delays in the supply of components. The delays, in turn, are directly related to the outbreak of the coronavirus. Because of it, many plants stopped their activities, sending workers to rest at home. Recall that unofficial data states that the iPhone SE second of may be called the iPhone 9. Have the design of the iPhone 8, and use last year's proprietary Apple A13 processor as the heart. By the way, the company used to develop the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. 3 GB of RAM is expected in the new product, and the screen will have to be 4.7 inches in size. The price of the iPhone 9, according to all the same rumors, will have to be at the level of $400 to $450.